Today, I have a cologne that I came across that I wanted to share with you guys on my channel. And the cologne is called Byredo Bal D'Afrique. Here it is. So this cologne actually is 3.3 ounce bottle, which equates to 100 ml. For those of you wondering, Bal d'Afrique translates from French to English to African ball. I don't know why the cologne is called African ball. However, more on that later. This cologne is actually classified as unisex, meaning that men or women could use it. It's not assigned to one sex. So anybody could use it, male or female, or whatever you identify as. Today, I'm going to open it up. I'm not a cologne expert or anything. I'm just a guy here on YouTube that just buys stuff that I use. And because I buy stuff that I use, I'm just going to share that information with you guys. So this one, I bought it. I wanted to review it for the first time so that you could get my live reaction to what it smells like and what it presents like. So as you can see, the box is not open. We're going to go ahead and open the box. And then after that, we're going to wear it. We're going to get to know what it smells like and try to understand if it's a good cologne, it's something I recommend or not. So let's go ahead, take a view of this and then open it up and see what it has in stock or what it has to offer. As you can see here, it says Bal D'Afrique and it's by Byredo. I believe that's the pronunciation, Byredo. This is Eau de Parfum, and as you can see right there, it says 100 ml or 3.3 fluid ounce. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It's going to be a challenge, but it's not going to be perfect. I'll scan it later and see. The barcode is irrelevant to this situation. So over here, there's a seal. I'm going to go ahead and break the seal. I think you just slide it out from this. There we go. I thought it was a seal, but it's not a seal. Well, maybe it might be a seal for later, but for now, just get it out of the box. This is the package, the sub package, I would say. And this is what it looks like. Spells Byredo right there. And over there is the B. And on the side is some kind of symbol or signature, something that they're known for because it's on both sides. And then now we open this up. I believe you open it up from this side. So this is it. It says Byredo right there. You can see it in Braille on the box. So this is a seal. That was right. So the seal is now broken to show you that it's brand new. So now we have this right here. This is some booklet that it comes with. And then this is just a box that holds it in place. And here is the master of ceremony, the African ball, Byredo Bal D'Afrique, Eau de Parfum. So looking at it, it looks great. It looks like a very non-complicated bottle. There's nothing special about it. It's simple, simplistic, not unique. It has the B right there. So I guess they like to put the B on everything. It doesn't even say the quantity on the label. It just says Byredo Bal D'Afrique, Eau de Parfum. That's what it looks like. So just a simple bottle. It has the certificate of authenticity right there. Back there's 100 ml. Says it's made in France, of course, because it's all written in French. So now I'm gonna put it on. Well, let's go ahead and get a hand spray first. I'm gonna just put a little bit right there. All right, just gonna let it dry out. What is my first impression? It smells good. It gives off a female perfume or something a female would wear. But this is just my first impression. But the longer it sits on my hand, it grows on me. It's getting better. It's less harsh, a little bit predictable, cool. It's not aggressive. It's just a calm perfume at this point. Now, it has come to a relaxation point. And I can tell you that it smells good. It smells good. For the price point, which is under $100 for a 3.3 fluid ounce bottle, which is 100 ml, it smells good. It's unisex. Name comes out to Bal, Africa Ball. That's what it translates to. For the cologne, I would say this is something that will smell good on both sexes, male or female. It's very calm. It's sweet, it's nice, it flies under the radar, but once it hits your nose, you'll be appreciative of whomever is actually wearing these perfumes. I would say something for the price point is something you can afford to add to your collection. It's good. I wouldn't put it under the category of great. It's a good perfume. So if you're male or female and you were just looking for something at this price point, something that you can use, something that is efficient, something that is effective, something that you could put on a sundress as a woman and just put it on, you're going to the beach or you're going to hang out with friends at a patio, or as a guy, you're going to play golf, or you were just dressing down and just going to hang out with guys at a rooftop, this is something that would work perfectly for that. Other than that, it's an okay cologne. It doesn't blow you out of the water. But for now, I just have to spend a couple of more days with it. I explained earlier, this is a live reaction. I just opened this box for the first time. As you could see in the beginning of the video, I have never perceived the smell of this perfume ever. This is my first time actually smelling it. So I think it's okay. I think it's something you can afford at the price point to add to your collection, and it would not cause any harm. It's something you could wear on a day you're trying to dress down, and there's so many occasions that you can find applicable where this particular perfume could come in handy. With that said, guys, like, subscribe. Let's continue the conversation in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this perfume. Tell me what your experience has been with it. Do you like it? Do you agree with me that it's in the okay range? Or do you think it's just mind blowing? Do you think it's out of here? Do you think it's such a great cologne that okay, it's not enough to describe it? Do you think it's in the amazing category? Where do you think it ranks? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video. All right? Guys, let me know if you like this content. I have a couple of more colognes. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4. I have about 4 more colognes and a wristwatch that I want to review with you guys and just share my experience. And just get your opinion in the comment section and try to understand how you guys think about it. So my whole point of reviewing this cologne is just to give guys a good idea of what you can add to your collection, the price point, affordability, so that you don't go out here and just buy a bunch of stuff, so that you can already get an experience of what it smells like. This one here leans more towards a female type of smell. It leans more towards something for a female than a male. That's my take on it.